What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be playing White Noise Online. Now, White Noise Online, it's like Slender Man, but it's for the Xbox, and it's really fun. You guys gotta buy it. It's 80 Microsoft points off the Microsoft Store. Really cheap. It's an indie game. So, I highly recommend it. You guys should check it out. So here we go. We're going to jump into this. Up a little bit. Yeah, so you can play online with your friends, except it's a little loud. Let's turn that down a little bit. Yeah. So, yeah, it's a 4-player co-op. It's just like Slender Man, you have to find 8, like, not pages, but they're like 8 tapes, like tape recorder things. Find our own game. I'm gonna be this invisible guy. Oh. Come on, people, join. Invisible person sucks. Oh well. YOLO. I'm probably gonna die first. If people don't join, or he doesn't start the game in just a couple of seconds, we'll just back out and find another one. Okay, yeah. Quick join. Same guy. You know what? Let's stay here then. If not, we'll just make our own. Yeah, let's just make our own. Wait, no, not. Let's do public. Let's just do random location. Well, there's 4 maps you can play on, and there's easy, normal, hard, and nightmare difficulties you can play on. We'll just do normal for now. I really don't want to play by myself. It's scary. Okay, here we go. Choose your guy. Yes. Getting more people in here. Come on, let's try to get another person. Yes. Starting in just a couple seconds now. I can finally play with 2 hands now because I just set my camera up on my phone so you can see me in the background. Hey. Find all the tape recorders. So it's very much like Slender Man. Turn off and on your flashlight. You can run. It's just, the characters in this game look really stupid though. Look at this guy's complete dirt face. Oh. Okay. Where should we go? Should we just... They following me? Okay. Oh, it's the sawmill. I swear I'm gonna get like shoved into one of these sawmills. I'll be in multiple pieces. I hear a tape. I want the tape. I want it. It's mine. If you steal my tape, I'm gonna slap you in the... Oh, there it is. Here's the tape. 1 of 8 tapes. Alright, now we'll be able to see. Oh, the green thing. That green thing, it kills you. Yeah, like, it goes all staticky like Slenderman too. I hear him. Oh gosh, he's right there. Oh goodness. Oh, did he disappear? He's a magician. Oh, he probably raged. No, it's dangerous to go alone. I don't want to die already. No. Ah! No. I'm stuck. Ah. He got me. Oh, that sucks. Well, after you die, you become like this ghost guy. Well, that sucks. I died already. That isn't cool. That sucks. I was hoping I'd be the last one alive. That sucks, man. I'm the one that's recording here. These guys are the ones that should die first. That's not cool. It's because that guy raged.
I think you need to pick the random character. Because, like...
No, shut up, kid.
Oh, where's the other dude? You died.
Yeah, no shit, I died. I'm a ghost now. You see me, bitch? I'm right in front of you. Now, let's go.
And over here's another one.
That's complete BS, man. I shouldn't have died. It says he got disconnected.
Oh, he's right there. Shit, don't walk that direction.
There's the tape. As a ghost, you can't pick up the tape.
Yeah, walk it down and stuff.
Oh, and you can't see the guy either as a ghost. So it's kind of stupid. These guys will die any second.
Oh, where's like the third?
I guarantee you. So weird. Come on. You guys need to die. Oh, dead end. Follow me.
He's over there.
Follow me, bitches. Oh, here.
Crap, dude.
Here's just one green thing that kills you if you're not a ghost.
Run.
I don't know how to explain what it is. It's just like
Yeah, it's getting horrible.
a huge ass piece of shit just there. It's like an alien. It kills you.
I don't know what.
It like abducts you.
Somewhere? Yeah, it's kind of... Oh, he's over there now.
Come on. He's not over here.
Chris? Oh, yeah, no, he's still a good way away. He's still-
Man, this kid voice cracks a lot.
Oh, I hear him breathing. Oh, you got it, it's you.
Follow me. I'm gonna lead them into their death. Come on.
Slow down.
Yeah, I'm not gonna slow down. I'm faster than you white boys. Even though I'm white.
They make you ghost
Oh, I hear the green thing. Oh, there it is.
people.
Don't look where it takes you.
They can't see.
That's like Slenderman's quote.
They just get to walk next to us and see us.
Just follow the yellow brick road, and we'll be fine. Or they'll be fine. I'll obviously be fine, because I'm already dead.
Yeah, step off your face a little bit, I'm just saying. Yeah, he's still over there.
You guys should die. There's gotta be one over here. Not on this side. Oh, maybe it was on the other side. 4 out of 8. They're gonna die. It's hard to beat this game. I've never done it. I've gotten 7 of 8 pages. Then he ate me. I don't even know how to explain the monster. He's like a naked werewolf guy. He's scary. He's tall. He's extremely pale.
Oh yeah, he's over there.
No, he's not.
Like, turn immediately behind your back left. You see him, I think.
You're making up a bunch of BS, man.
Never mind.
I hope you can hear this kid.
Oh yeah, then turn around. Because that might be him. Oh, wow.
Is there one over here?
Oh yeah.
I hear it. There it is. Five of 8. If we win this, I'll give them props. I don't think they can do it though. Let's go this way. I'm the pro at this game. Not really, I suck. No, let's just ditch that guy so he dies. No, come back. Let's leave that other guy so he dies. You bastard. If you guys like me playing this game, tell me in the comments below. Tell me that you want to see more gameplays of this or any other game you want to see.
Yeah.
And because I like to play this game, it's fun. Or if you want to play with me, just add me. My Gamertag's right there on the side. KwiK SilencE. You can see it right here on that little line. Space between KwiK and SilencE. Whoa. They're like Enderman right there. So, yeah, my friends list is getting full. I'm at 85 friends, so I'll accept the next 15 people that add me. And make sure you send me a message saying that you've seen me on YouTube, and you can add me.
Do you know where the second or the fifth one is? If so, just follow you.
Yeah, just follow me. Let's go this way. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just going somewhere and hoping for the best. Oh, that's the end of the map.
Same here. It's pretty fun.
Just completely ditch these guys.
Especially when other people have mics. This game, yeah.
Just continue following me, and you will die. And you, I don't know.
Online's fun because you can just screw with people sometimes.
I really want these guys to die.
Oh my jeez.
He got scared.
Right there. Jeez Louise, dude.
Jeez
Oh,
Louise.
he's still there. He's still looking at me.
Hope you can hear this kid.
He's making me worried. Oh god, no.
Oh, we're back here? This sucks.
Okay, where are you? Okay, you're right there. Okay.
Yeah, come get me.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, he died. There's his dead body.
Yeah, he just like.
Teabag.
Like,
There's his ghost. Now this guy is completely screwed. Where'd he go?
Hey, look.
Oh, there you are.
What's up? Hello?
You're like a MILF. Oh, she screamed.
Run, dude, run.
That means the guy was like right behind him. Her, whatever it is. Pull down those pants and let me see what's down there. Is it sausage or is it taco? These are the questions that may never be solved.
I think that running like also increases your chances of dying.
Moonwalk.
Oh yeah, the more fear your character gets.
Why are you holding your flashlight, bro? You're already dead.
And
Turn around, I dare you. You're probably gonna die.
not see around a little bit.
I hear the green thing, I think. Maybe not. Yep, she died. Game over. 5 of 8.
5, 8.
Wow, 2 minutes. That sucks, man.
Yeah, we all died a couple minutes. Like I died a couple minutes before.
I found 1 tape.
You died like very
I walked the most, and I died first. That's sad. I screamed 1 time, and that's when I died. Oh, it's cool. It shows you your tracks wherever you went. Man, watch me on the guy in the red hat. Yeah, I'm about to. Yep, just died right there. And I find these noobs, and then find 1 tape. They get scared a couple times. You can see those exclamation marks. A lot of times, actually. I think this one guy dies right up here. Yep, that guy dies. And then this guy dies right now. We got half of the map. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you subscribe, like, I will appreciate it and I'll subscribe back to you. So as always, peace.